What's up, guys? Welcome back to Southern Boys Hot Rods. This is our 392 stroker that we pulled out of our C4 Corvette. If you want to watch that, there's a video of it on our channel. We have antifreeze mixing with the oil. So on today's video, we're going to tear this engine down, excessive damage, and rebuild it. Well, let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do here is Willie's going to go ahead and zip this intake off here.
We can pick and choose what we. Whoops. Whoops. I always heard the performer intakes are better on the street, but everybody I see, like the old man's garage and stuff, they run like a torquer or like the single plane.
Yeah.
I think that's what they're called. I don't know, but not the two dual plane.
I got a performer too on mine.
But they race them. I mean, they drive theirs on the street with that single plane intake or whatever it is with the little mini ram.
Yep.
But it's also going to be hard to fit under the hood.
All right, guys. While Willie's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and pull this front drive off so we can get these heads off.
Please remember where them bolts go.
I will. You remember what size they are?
No. 14 though, probably. Just leave me hanging on the intake. Oh, yeah, Willie's got a wrench. I hate this one.
I'm done with it now.
Shit. You got that 960? Man. Well, there went my second power steering.
Shit, I don't even understand that bolt wasn't even all the way loose.
Because it broke it.
Yeah. Well, we'll get it welded back. Dad welded the last one. He's already welded this one. Well,
I wonder if that's a
That's all
common problem because every single one of them is broke.
dude, it's crazy because I didn't even take the bolts out.
That ain't even the part Dad welded
I know.
last time.
That's what I was looking at.
Thing. I probably need to run a different drive accessory on it.
Yep.
Damn it. eBay. Because that was my second one. You broke the first one.
Yeah, trying to get it out of the other car.
Yeah, that's why I was like going ahead and was happy you was taking the power steering lines off instead of us taking the whole bracket off this time. And you still broke it.
Still broke it. I was being extra careful too.
Where's all the bolts?
They're all in the bracket still.
What about this?
That's what?
That's the spacer.
That fell off a bolt. That's not.
Can't believe you broke that.
Oh, yeah, drop those right in the motor.
Did it?
No.
Oh. I ain't planning on taking the pistons out or nothing. Now I'll see if I can get in there. Definitely wasn't the intake leaking. It is sealed up. I'll just pull it off this way. was sealed.
What is this? 4.5 inch.
I mean, you did that, Jesse.
What size is that?
What?
The
That bolt?
yeah.
I think it's a 1/2 inch or 13.
I just tried to a 13. Just try to use a 14 on it. It didn't work.
That looks good. You got my red flashlight in here, Devin?
Yeah, it's right there on the.
Let's see if I can look through these holes and see a cam lobe. That's what I'm worried about. It looks all right though, dude. That one does.
That'd look all right.
I hope so. That's the only thing I'm worried about is the cam. I don't know what the bearings look like. There's antifreeze all in this thing, dude. A little bit of trash. How clean them ports are. This port where we poured it and polished them ourselves.
It's gonna leak antifreeze.
Opening things up, let it breathe.
All right, guys. Now that we got the front drive off, we're gonna go ahead and start pulling these heads off.
You reusing them gaskets? Maybe. They don't seem bad. Yeah.
The good thing is you can recharge your AC now. Put it back on.
Yeah. Yeah, I should have did that in the jump. I just thought it had gas in it. I don't know if I could. I might could read. No. No. He's done. It's weird. I was scared this was leaking too, so it's probably super tight. Devin, help me, just in case this bucket ain't lined up right.
I'm guessing right there.
That was a good call.
Save the environment. Don't pee turtle straws.
Maybe tilt it and let it
Yeah.
run on out a little bit.
Let's see.
Ready?
Yep.
Let it go that way. There he goes.
The poles gonna fall.
Side. Damn.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Any oil in it?
I have paint sticks.
This works fine. I'm gonna start by loosening these head nuts on these head studs for these high compression applications here. You can start on any one you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and start this one. No particular reason. We've only moved it 10 feet.
That ain't even 10 feet. Yeah, literally the nose outside the door, that was it. And then I was like, before we take off, let's check the valve lash. And when I pulled the valve cover off, it was green. You broke them all loose?
Oh, not all of them.
You
All the bottom ones.
You might have to take the rocker off. You're going to have to put the push rods in order.
That one's tight.
Shit, I'm telling you, boy, I don't think that was it.
I'm gonna zip this little pan off here.
A little bit of water in it. It's assembly.
No
lube.
metal, though.
A lot of
That's
it's
good.
assembly lube. All right, so we're going to pull the main cap off here just really just for a peace of mind to make sure that nothing happened. It only ran for like 30 minutes, so I doubt anything's going to be too extreme. We also have studs in the main caps. All right.
No, ain't nothing wrong with them.
I got a little bit of a groove in them. All right, though. Not really even a groove. Well lubricated, too.
I don't even feel nothing on my fingernail. I think it's good.
Yeah. I had it polished and balanced and everything.
That's your tool. That's your checker.
Yeah.
All right, now that we've checked that and everything's fine, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy back on, and Willie's gonna torque it down to 65 foot-pounds. Do a little tap, make sure it's seated.
Last time we did not do that. That's why this cap looks different than the
Yes, common mistake.
and had it line honed. All right, now that we inspected that, we're going to torque it down to 65 foot-pounds.
Beautiful sound, especially when it doesn't go tink.
All right, give them all just a one.
65 foot-pounds.
Think we're gonna be able to put it back in today?
No. We got to get some parts.
All right, guys, now that we've tore this apart and made sure everything was fine, which it is, we're gonna order some parts and put this thing back together next video. Follow, like, and subscribe, and catch us on the next one.